Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your botany teacher Sadia Naseem from Beria Foundation College, Nature of World. Students, we are going to learn the second lecture of first year class, chapter number 2. What was the name of our chapter? That was biological molecules. Okay. Students, today we have to learn the topic water. We all know water is very important for our life. Life is impossible without water. It is most abundant component in living cell. Its amount varies approximately 70 to 90% in the cell. You can imagine how water is important. 70 to 90% of the cell is water. Life activities occur in the cell due to presence of water. Without water, life activities are impossible. So water is very important, vital component for the life. Vital for life. Life is impossible without water. Okay. Now what is the structure of the water? We all know the chemical formula of water, H2O. How many atoms of hydrogen? 1 and 2. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. They combine to make the water. Okay. Ability of water to play its wide variety of roles and reason for the transport in biological system due to basic chemistry of molecule. Okay, chemical formula of water is water, H2O, which tells us that 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen combine to make the water molecule. Water is a polar molecule. Very important property of water, it is polar molecule. Why we call water a polar molecule? Reason is that oxygen has negative charge, hydrogen have positive charge, but it's not totally negative, totally positive. Oxygen has partial negative charge and hydrogen has partial positive charge. Okay, they are slightly negative end and they are very slightly positive end. So the separation of electronic charge is called the dipole, which gives the water molecule a very important property. One of the most important properties of this change, separation tend water molecule to form hydrogen bond. There is hydrogen bond between oxygen and hydrogen. Now there are some very important properties of water. Properties of water which make it biologically very important. First of all, the best solvent. Water is also called the universal solvent because it has ability to absorb, to dissolve maximum things in itself. Water behaves as a best solvent. It also has the ability to dissolve many things in itself and it is also called the universal solvent. Second most important property is slow to absorb, release. Slow absorption and release of heat. It means water does not get hot immediately and also does not get cold immediately. It absorbs heat very slowly, it heats up slowly and also release heat slowly, which is very important for the life. What will happen? क्या होगा अगर पानी एकदम से बहुत सारी हीट absorb कर ले और एकदम से रिलीज कर दे? हमारा बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेंटेन नहीं रह सकेगा, हम खुद को बैलेंस नहीं रख पाएंगे. तो वाटर की स्लो एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड रिलीज ऑफ हीट जो है वो हमारा बैलेंस मेंटेन करने में हेल्प करती है. नंबर 3, हाई हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन. हाई हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन. वाटर की हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन बहुत हाई होती है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हीट चाहिए होती है वाटर को एवापोरेट होने के लिए. अगर ऐसा ना हो इफ़ देर इज़ लो हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन क्या होगा, एकदम से हमारा बॉडी का या प्लांट्स का या लाइफ का वाटर एकदम से एवपोरेट हो जाएगा और हमें डिहाइड्रेशन हो जाएगी. सो दिस इज़ वेरी important property which gives water a very significant role in the living things. It has high heat of vaporization. Fourth property is amphoteric molecule. It is an amphoteric molecule. You have learned the word ampho or amphi means dual, double, dual. Water behave both as an acid as well as a alkali or base. It behave as an acid when required and also behave as a base when it is required. So it can be, because we have the definition of acid that it gives hydrogen ion and base gives this hydroxyl ion. When water molecule splits, it gives both hydrogen and hydroxyl ion. So it may act as acid when release hydrogen ions, and it may act as a base when its hydroxyl ion combined with other atoms. Cohesive forces in water molecule. There are two types of forces. Cohesive forces. There are two types of forces, adhesive and cohesive. Force of joining with another molecule is called adhesive forces, and force of joining with same molecule is called the cohesive forces. Water has very good cohesive forces which make it enable to transport in transport in plants, and also transportation in the animals. So these are the some very important properties of water which I discussed with you today. Students, what is your homework? You have to learn the properties of water, make your own notes and send me what you have done. Read the lecture very carefully. Thank you so much.